A compelling hook can make all the difference in the success of your video. It can be the difference between someone scrolling past your content or stopping to watch, engage, and ultimately take action.
Okay, we've talked about a lot of different hook techniques, but there's one thing I'm still wondering about, like, how long should the hook be? Is there a magic number of seconds?
There's no hard and fast rule, but most experts agree that shorter is better. You want to capture attention quickly and get to the point before viewers lose interest.
So we're talking like 5 to 10 seconds max.
That's a good rule of thumb. Aim to deliver your hook within the first few seconds of your video to maximize its impact.
I'm starting to see how this whole intro sequence is like a carefully choreographed dance.
Yeah.
You've got your attention-grabbing question, your compelling hook, and everything has to like flow together seamlessly to keep the viewer engaged.
That's a great analogy. It's about creating a rhythm and a pacing that keeps the viewer hooked from the very first frame.
You mentioned earlier that testing and refining is crucial. How do you know if your hook is actually working? What should you be looking for?
Pay attention to your video analytics.
Yes.
Are people watching past the first few seconds? Are they dropping off at a certain point? That data can give you valuable insights into what's working and what's not.
So it's not just about gut feeling. You got to look at the numbers.
Yeah.
And let the data guide your decisions.
Exactly. Data can tell you a lot about your audience's behavior and preferences. It can help you understand what resonates with them, what keeps them engaged, and what makes them click away.
I'm also wondering about the role of like sound and music in hooks. Can those elements like enhance the effectiveness of the hook?
Absolutely. Sound effects, music, and even like voiceover can add an extra layer of engagement and help to set the tone and mood of your video.
So if I'm making a video about, say, travel tips, I might start with some upbeat music and the sound of a plane taking off to create a sense of like excitement and adventure.
Exactly. It's about creating an immersive experience that draws the viewer in and makes them feel like they're part of the story.
This has been eye-opening. So much more goes into creating a compelling video intro than I ever realized.
It's definitely a craft, but by understanding the principles we've discussed and being willing to experiment and refine your approach, you can create video intros that hook viewers from the very first second and keep them engaged until the very end.